Welcome to AndroIndian. Today, we explore how deliverables transform into real organizational value.
Every project produces deliverables. These are the tangible outputs of our hard work.
But deliverables alone do not guarantee success. A finished product is just the beginning.
True success lies in outcomes and realized benefits. It is about the impact the project creates.
The value chain begins with deliverables, the immediate results of project tasks.
Deliverables lead to outcomes, the real-world consequences of implementation.
Strategic alignment ensures that every outcome supports the broader organizational goals.
We manage this through a structured life cycle, from initiation and planning to execution and closing.
Modern project management focuses on the value delivery system, ensuring purpose and scope are met.
Think of digital payments in India. The deliverable is the app. The outcome is financial inclusion and speed.
Governance frameworks provide the structure to ensure value isn't lost during the execution phase.
Agile methodologies allow us to adapt and realign our deliverables to maximize realized benefits.
Leadership plays a critical role in steering projects toward outcomes that drive organizational success.
We measure success not just by meeting a deadline, but by the tangible value delivered to the business.
Adhering to PMP standards and professional excellence ensures a higher probability of positive outcomes.
In logistics, VTS systems are deliverables that lead to the outcome of optimized operations and safety.
Artificial intelligence is now a key tool in predicting outcomes and enhancing value delivery.
Modern technology serves as the backbone for these complex value chains in our globalized economy.
Always start with the purpose. Why does this project exist, and what value will it leave behind?
Infrastructure projects are perfect examples of deliverables that transform a nation's economy and life.
Focusing on outcomes provides actionable insights that help in continuous improvement and governance.
In summary, transition your focus from just getting things done to delivering real, measurable value.
Thank you for joining us at AndroIndian. Visit AndroIndian.com for more. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.